Chicago, bitch, you drive me crazy.
Check. What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy K Saucy, and we back with another video. So right now I'm actually waiting on my boy to get here and scoop me real quick because we got something real spicy for y'all. Not to get into too much detail, but the headliner is currently off of the car. Well, his car, because my car still has my headliner, but his headliner is currently off of the car. So we about to go to a shop real quick because we sent his headliner to get redone. So yeah, stay tuned for that. This nigga never pick up the phone, bro. Like,
there's a whole car me right here.
hurry up, bro. Hurry up. Take forever.
Doing that, bro.
Bro, stop talking like that, bro. Like, I'm not about to see you right now, bro. Keep that same energy, bro. Keep that same energy, nigga. So as you can see, I'm just waiting on my boy. Once he scoops me up, I'm gonna get right back to y'all, so stay tuned. It's gonna be a good video, so I know y'all don't want to miss that. See y'all on the next clip. Bow. Yo, what's up, man? Ooh, what's this about? Oh, I forgot to show y'all, but he did something on the vlog. He did something vlog. Oh my god. Oh, look who's here. Look who's here.
Buddy in the building.
Look who's here. Say what's up to Buddy, vlog. Yes, sir. What up, nigga?
Hello,
talking
bud.
all that shit, nigga. What happened?
Chill.
Nah, my boy. Broke down over there. Yo, bro. BX is crazy. Niggas got a car meet in every corner, bro. The BX is fucking a crazy place, bro. This nigga Buddy all up over here, like, son. I'm over here picking up my leg and shit, like, sit down, nigga. Damn. A little dirty right now, but it's looking good or whatever. Yeah, so Pete, just got to my boy's crib real quick. We about to pick up the wheels, take them to the shop because we're gonna be trading these, and we also gonna show y'all what we sent the car to get done. So stay tuned for that. Let me show y'all the interior real quick so y'all can have an idea of what we're about to do. And it is now 12:32 right now. Let me show y'all what's going on. So as you can see, interior has no headliner whatsoever. But yeah, y'all could already have an idea of what's about to go down. So stay tuned for that. We're gonna take these wheels off real quick, swap on the 3-piece, because we're gonna be trading these right now, this late. So you already know. This car stuff, honestly, is not all fun and games, you know what I'm saying? Sometimes we take little L's, sometimes we gotta work late nights when it comes to this. So I'm gonna start getting the wheels out, and then we're gonna put them on. And then after we put them on, we're gonna head to the shop and pick up the headliner. So stay tuned. Alright, y'all, so Pete, we just made it to the shop with it. So again, oh yeah, we put the wheels in the back. But as I was telling y'all, headliner is completely gone because we in the process of finishing up the new headliner. Look at that. This is what you call quality work right here. What we're gonna do is jacking this up real quick. We're gonna take these Taurus off, install the 3-piece wheels, get the headliner in, and I'll get to y'all once we get everything on. So stay tuned.
Shot for 2 months, nigga.
Nah, no, he told me.
We only get like 3 grand here. That's fire. D, headliner. Pretty much do everything.
Talk to him, yay. What you doing right now?
Yo, what's up? It's your boy Sage Customs. Y'all see the vibes. Y'all see what we doing right here. Stars. We got SUEDE. We got stars. Nothing but clean work. Y'all see the vibes, man.
Yes, sir.
Cutting everything, making everything nice and flush, clean. Install it. This shit's gonna look sick, beautiful. The pillars is also wrapped, so you know it's a big transformation.
You gotta put the before and after. I even want the before that you took. I want all them shits.
Not facts.
Yeah. 2015s?
I got there's no way.
You know that. That's it. Just put the pillars on, ALCANTARA suede. It's a little dark, so you can't really see too much. Should look good, but we're about to get the sunroof installed. After we get all the pillars and stuff on, we're gonna put the hell on. You see it, 3 a.m. 3 a.m. We still here, working. Sheesh, look at that. Still not done. Still gotta install top lights right here for the headliner, but it's looking pretty good. Look at that. I'm seeing it from here. Like, I was So keep this. Little rinse. Headliner is done. Shit look mint. 3-piece wheels is on. This is a beauty right here. Got done finishing the car. Starlights look amazing, by the way. For any work needs, hit up my boy Sage. Yes, sir. We out here.
It's nasty.
Look at that. Quality work.
See the stars?
So, unfortunately, again, my camera died, but we're not stopping this time, so you know what I'm saying? So, if y'all like this video, like, comment, subscribe. This was like a last-minute video, but yo, this came out astonishing. Look at that. Sheesh. Anyway, if you like the video, like, comment, subscribe, keep commenting. We got way more stuff coming. TSX still got some parts coming in, so that's why we haven't been uploading the TSX, my TSX. Stay tuned for that. Stay saucy. Keep moving forward.